Hi, just a short video to show the condition of this Dyson V7 Total Clean Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Comes in full working order, as photographed or videoed here. Comes with replacement power supply, brand new replacement crevice tool and combination tool, a brand new replacement soft floor tool. The main bush bar head, I've taken this apart, fully cleaned it, put it back together again. The wand, which does have some small scratches, it's only cosmetic. And then the main unit. The filter's been fully washed and cleaned, the head's been fully washed and cleaned, so has the bin. This has a brand new 4000 mAh battery for this listing, which I put on this morning. I'll show it working quickly. So this does have two modes. First mode's economy, battery will last longer. Second mode is boost, which is more powerful, but the battery drains a lot quicker to charge it again. To empty the bin, hold this over a bin bag container, pull the red lever up as such, the top will come up, the bottom will open, and then you can tip all your rubbish out. To close it, push down on this part first, as such, and then close the bottom bin. Charge it, simply plug in the charger. Do not leave it on charge all the time. That's the worst thing you can do with a battery, because like any battery, like a laptop, you kill it over time. So leave it charged until it's charged. I do have other Dysons listed also. Please take a look. Any questions at all, please just ask. Thank you.